Understanding animation principles, the key to bringing stories to life. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that is essential for anyone interested in animation, filmmaking, or digital art. We're talking about animation principles. These principles are the foundation of creating movement that is both appealing and lifelike. Whether you're an aspiring animator or just curious about how animations come to life, this video will guide you through the core concepts that make animations truly magical. Animation principles are a set of guidelines that animators follow to create dynamic and realistic movements in their work. These principles were first introduced by two Disney animators, Ollie Johnston and Frank Thomas, in their 1981 book, The Illusion of Life, Disney Animation. Even though these principles were developed decades ago, they are still universally applied in both traditional and digital animation today. Let's explore the 12 basic principles of animation that every animator should know. 1. Squash and stretch. This principle gives the illusion of weight and volume to characters and objects as they move. Squash and stretch are crucial for expressing flexibility and impact. 2. Anticipation. Anticipation is used to prepare the audience for an action, making the movement more realistic and impactful. It's about creating a build-up before the main action. 3. Staging. Staging refers to presenting an idea so that it's utterly clear. This can be done through character placement, camera angles, and the use of light and shadow. 4. Straight-ahead action and pose-to-pose. These are two different approaches to drawing animations. Straight-ahead action creates more fluid, dynamic movements, while pose-to-pose offers more control over the animation structure. 5. Follow-through and overlapping action. These principles help in creating more natural movements by showing how parts of the body move in relation to each other and how they continue to move after the character has stopped. 6. Slow in and slow out. This principle adds realism to movement by showing an acceleration and deceleration of action, making movements more natural. 7. Arcs. Most natural actions tend to follow an arc or a circular path. This principle is used to create smoother, more natural movements. 8. Secondary action. Secondary actions are used to support the main action, adding more dimension to character movement and enhancing the overall animation. 9. Timing. Timing is crucial in animation as it determines the speed and timing of movements, affecting how real or stylized they seem. 10. Exaggeration. Exaggeration is used to push movements further for comic or dramatic effect, making the animation more engaging. 11. Solid drawing. This principle emphasizes the importance of understanding the basics of drawing, including form, weight, balance, and anatomy. 12. Appeal. Appeal in animation is akin to charisma in a person. It's about creating characters that are pleasing and engaging to the audience. Understanding and applying these animation principles is fundamental for creating animations that are lively, expressive, and believable. Whether you're animating a short film, a feature, or just dabbling in digital art, keeping these principles in mind will undoubtedly elevate your work. We hope this video has illuminated the art of animation for you and inspired you to explore the boundless possibilities of this creative medium. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.